UMLA kati MCU Dr. Mukul sangma ula keno baka jingmi ke jingjia basusi haraja bala kadai nama baka soka kadang syong sengap jal ban ailat bandon ke jingti mal beai la ban kedau ba ha ka singi thoding ka khandai tarik ukla langkor aja phunai ukla mi ke jingjia yakan at haraja bala West Garo Hills ha ka ba uwei nagi nong yalam seng malang ula klat bat uwei udon hapeng ke jing Mrssa ujur habakran ha ka sipotri ukla langkor aja phunai syakila tai kubo Dr. Mukul ong bau dang persang banyakran bagi pait ba panlap ya ka jingjia nadu tengrai bat ya menta ampala ban ong ya kada mendai kawai ke bau kwa ban ong kelong bagane ka jingjia klajia ka jaka badon bun kamti mau be ai wala ong bagane ka jingjia hakaru kajia na marba ka soka ka syong pait kai ba sengap ja ban sya ya ka jingti mau be ai wala keno ro badon bun ki jingsya ti mau be ai na marba om shima Treikam ya ka Mrssa bantel akam ya ki beri bawan barung bami syakane ki jel ula kentu ki bor district bagi dai ban simki ban wanra ya ka jing syong sngai bar pha ka khubor sulem syaki bahaying jong ba khlat bar kitbok yo badon hapleng ki jing sitom ban yo no ya ka jing ko.
You see, I also have heard about this news. I have not gone to the site. I have been talking to the people trying to find out exactly what is happening and to know from the ground zero. Now, what must be the circumstances pertaining to that particular incident is something which I am yet to be really be equipped with, because I must be sure of the inputs that I am receiving. But one thing I will tell you. See, this is also another thing. What has led to this kind of situation? Where is the place of occurrence? Place of occurrence is in those areas where illegalities are going on. You know what illegalities? Have you heard about that? Illegal stone quarry. So this government is the author of all illegal activities that is happening across the state. That's why the Mrssa is not implemented. The entry-exit point, the facilitation centers, we have identified number of areas across Assam-Meghalaya border in respect of Garos. Bordering West Garos, bordering Southwest Garos. What has happened? Now, every activity, whether it is illegal quarrying and then transportation of illegal mined minerals, everything would have been under strict vigilance for the authorities. The authorities could have taken cognizance of every attempt to engage in any illegalities at the cost, at the interest of the state. Now, if illegal activities are going on and that illegal activities pertaining to illegal mining of minor minerals, how it is flourishing there? How it is flourishing there in the first instance? Therefore, what I have heard is that because illegalities were going on, we have to know whether the members of the NGOs have gone to stop it, close it, or something else. We have to know. Now, in absence of correct information, that's why I'm saying I do not know exactly what has happened, leading to that particular unfortunate incident. I condole the loss of precious life, and I pray for the speedy recovery of those injured. But at the same time, at this juncture, I think the district administration should take all measures to restore peace first, because this particular incident have all the, this can be interpreted in giving a communal color also. That should be avoided under all costs. I will appeal to all concerned to see that good sense prevail, and everybody's effort should be first restore peace and do not allow these particular incident to create any kind of situation which will create communal hatred, because this must be considered as an incident which has unfortunately happened, and it has happened because of the government watching silently and allowing criminalities to happen in that part of the state. It is happening in Rimoy also. You can visit, we can go and have a drive, quick drive. Everywhere illegality is going on. So this government has perfected the art of allowing illegal activities. For whose interest you have to ask, but against the interest of the people and against the interest of the state. Reversing this to restore order will be a tough job. So, recreating a state with the same kind of environment where people had the fear of law, I think it's important for the citizens of the state to understand that responsibility. We have to set the state in order. Today the state is in disorder. And the incident in Garo is just a testimony of that. It's just tip of the iceberg.
Doctor, one question.